Hello guys, welcome to Toothpick. So in this video I will show you how to perfectly clean your iPhone. So you basically need 4 things. The first one is a compressed gas cleaner. I got it from 10 bucks at the store, cheap. The second thing is this one. I don't know the name, but it's probably for your butthole. Okay. The third one you need is a cologne. I rather to buy a cologne with alcohol or something like that. And the last thing is this right here. It's gonna help you a lot. I'm gonna tell you why. Okay, so this is my iPhone right here. XR, red one. So basically it's a bit dirty, like you see. We're gonna begin just with the cologne. So, and you also need this one. A paper, soft one, okay? So, first thing, close your iPhone, pick up your cologne like this, and just throw it on there. Yeah, like that. Like that, okay. Pick up your paper and just scrub it. Give it a little massage, like this. It's gonna help you from fingerprints, etc. Do it on the behind, on the camera, really smooth. Why with alcohol? Because alcohol burns all the dirty things and it's way cleaner. Wow, like this. It's blinking, you know? Okay, that's what I thought. Okay, the second thing is, after you did the cologne, we're gonna begin with cleaning up your holes. Yeah, holes. The most important part is right here, your battery. Sometimes you got that problem if you wanna charge your phone. It doesn't work. Why? Because the dust in there is incredible. Like this, just peel it out, you know. Try all the sides, but be careful. It's really important. I rather to choose not a metal one, but like a wooden. Like this, okay. Look, do you see the dirt? Do you see the dirt? The dirt. Do you see dirt? Focus, bitch. Dirt? It's not focusing, guys, but you get me, right? I'm gonna, okay. The dirt is incredible. Another try. Wow. I swear you guys, the dirt in there. Oh my, do you see the dirt? The dirt? Look. Incredible. It's really important. After that, you can easily charge your phone. I hate this problem. Wow, this is not normal, guys. It was like 1 week ago that I cleaned up my iPhone and already dirt. Okay, after that, no. We're gonna also do this. Little things, okay. Don't push it. Otherwise you're gonna break your speakers. Okay, what else? Okay. After that, pick up your gas and just, yeah, like this. Oh fuck. I don't have it anymore. Oh bruh. Oh bruh. Sorry guys. Oh bruh. Don't worry guys. Just, oh my. Okay guys, so after the gas cleaner, you're pretty much done. And oh no. I forgot this one. Pick this one. Okay. And just clean up your flash. Like this. And also around the camera. To pick all the dust on the camera also. Speakers, don't forget that. Front, and you're pretty much done. Okay. And the last and not least is a deodorant, just in case, to have a good smell. Just be careful, guys. Okay, it smells really good. I'm so happy. And here is your brand new freaking iPhone. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry about my voice. I know it's really annoying, but I see you in the next video. Screw!